Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just arrived at my second destination and it is about 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius, which means it's just too hot for clothes, honestly. So I've been 11 days here in Bali and now I am at Riverview House, and I just want to give you a quick tour before I show you some things that I wanted to do about unpacking. Just a quick one. So this is the room. Very nice. I love this flooring detail. Also the concrete wall is very like rustic and nice, with a very cool roof. I don't even know what that is. Maybe this is like some bamboo, I don't know. And then just a simple shower with yeah, and as you'll notice there's no toilet paper, there's just with the hose there. But yeah, so hopefully I will have some time to show you guys some more about the pool and around later. So talk to you later, bye.